Hi, baby. I see you, sweetie. You're my good girl. Hi, my good girls. Come on, Tasha. And I thought you were little, Bella.
I know.
He's even littler than you are. Pepper.
What breed is Bella?
Oh, what did her owner say? She's a Pomeranian something next.
You're so silly.
Pomeranian Jack Russell, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why she's so jumpy.
Yeah. I think that's what she like looked up that mix online. She said they look exactly like her. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. You grumpy today. Prince, get it out. Oh. Don't even. What's Dora? Did you get trimmed again? Kind of look like it.
Got a haircut.
Yeah.
Got a haircut, didn't you?
Wow. What's Zara? Love baby. Yes, my girl. Come on, babies. Well, come on. Come on, honey.
Oscar.
Tasha. Shannon. It's like the dachshund room today.
Pepper hasn't been outside all day.
Hmm.